Hello fellow AI art enthusiasts. My name is Thane and this is the second continuation of exploring the style codes. Yes, there is many of them and there are also the style codes for Niji, which are totally different. But for now I shall keep exploring these. I do promise to get back to some other explorations with language as well. But just so you know, I have had more busier times in my personal life and I have not had the time to do more deeper explorations yet. The busy times are still ongoing and I hope you will stick around. As for the topic of this video, I will take a really quick look at the style codes from 200 to 299. The prompt is just a dot or a period symbol with seed number 777. As usual, let me know your favorite styles so I could include them in a more deeper dive video I have planned on making hopefully next week. Style reference 200, patchwork surreal collage. Style reference 201, dynamic elemental narrative art. Style reference 202, Gothic post-apocalyptic expressionism. Style reference 203, monochrome urban desolation. Style reference 204, vibrant dynamic brushstroke art. Style reference 205, moody floral Gothic. Style reference 206, futuristic techno-lineate. Style reference 207, mystic monochrome woodcut. Style reference 208, neon silhouette contrast. Style reference 209, vivid surreal stormscape. Style reference 210, sketchy atmospheric storyboard. Style reference 211, whimsical inked fairy tale. Style reference 212, monochromatic ethereal vignettes. Style reference 213, surreal gradient landscapes. Style reference 214, neon contrast silhouettes. Style reference 215, luminous ethereal fantasy. Style reference 216, geometric pastel collage. Style reference 217, dynamic golden adventure. Style reference 218, stylized monochrome nature. Style reference 219, vivid traditional Japanese scenes. Style reference 220, futuristic metallic elegance. Style reference 221, serene golden nature escape. Style reference 222, crisp futuristic urban anime. Style reference 223, mysterious vintage nature montage. Style reference 224, decayed vintage collage art. Style reference 225, enchanted luminous forest scenes. Style reference 226, somber monochrome nature silhouettes. Style reference 227, ethereal fairy tale wonderlands. Style reference 228, dramatic fantasy landscapes. Style reference 229, moody post-apocalyptic environments. Style reference 230, brilliant elemental panoramas. Style reference 231, tranquil nature scenography. Style reference 232, whimsical surreal portraiture. Style reference 233, somber melancholic scenery. Style reference 234, luminous fantasy nature vistas. Style reference 235, nostalgic idyllic pastorales. Style reference 236, ethereal cosmic energy flows. Style reference 237, mythic ruins dreamscapes. Style reference 238, enchanted woodland concept art. Style reference 239, gritty dystopian cityscapes. Style reference 240, surreal Candyland dream worlds. Style reference 241, dreamy pastel storyboards. Style reference 242, gritty realistic vignettes. Style reference 243, futuristic urban meditation. Style reference 244, vibrant neon gothics. Style reference 245, serene sci-fi landscapes. Style reference 246, ethereal cybernetic fantasies. Style reference 247, cosmic neon dreams. Style reference 248, monochrome mythical realms. Style reference 249. Intricate floral inkworks. Style reference 250. Luminous impressionist landscapes. Style reference 251. Surreal futuristic mechanisms. Style reference 252. Mystical blue dystopias. Style reference 253. Gentle monochrome fantasies. Style reference 254. Whimsical watercolor narratives. Style reference 255. Warm sunset silhouettes. Style reference 256. Dynamic elemental gods. Style reference 257. Dark floral surrealism. Style reference 258. Vibrant abstract adventures. Style reference 259. Rustic wilderness paintings. Style reference 260. Soft romantic illustrations. Style reference 261. Dramatic red inkscapes. Style reference 262. Atmospheric historical renderings. Style reference 263. Urban fantasy collages. Style reference 264. Vibrant rural impressions. Style reference 265. Whimsical domestic scenes. Style reference 266. Tranquil nature scenes. Style reference 267. Stylized fantasy battles. Style reference 268. Moody monochrome illustrations. Style reference 269. Surreal floral portraits. Style reference 270. Vintage mythological artworks. Style reference 271. Modern abstract fluid forms. Style reference 272. Whimsical fairy tale watercolors. Style reference 273. Intense dramatic graphic sequences. Style reference 274. Lush enchanted woodland scenes. Style reference 275. Neon fantasy landscape art. Style reference 276. Melancholic monochrome urban scenes. Style reference 277. Surreal apocalyptic vintage vistas. Style reference 278. Cosmic vibrant dreamscapes. Style reference 279. Abstract expressionist color splashes. Style reference 280. Surreal monochrome ink sketches. Style reference 281. Stark black and white landscapes. Style reference 282. Vibrant fluid abstract designs. Style reference 283. Retro futuristic city silhouettes. Style reference 284. Colorful whimsical character scenes. Style reference 285. Serene eastern landscape illustrations. Style reference 286. Whimsical watercolor fantasy realms. Style reference 287. Dynamic enchanted forest scenes. Style reference 288. Vibrant cosmic adventure artworks. Style reference 289. Abstract autumn color swirls. Style reference 290. Mysterious glowing forest visions. Style reference 291. Surreal neon fantasy worlds. Style reference 292. Dramatic crimson dusk landscapes. Style reference 293. Whimsical fairy tale gardens. Style reference 294. Vintage winter scenery paintings. Style reference 295. Ancient weathered architecture art. Style reference 296. Serene pastoral watercolor scenes. Style reference 297. Verdant forest waterfalls. Style reference 298. Monochrome silhouette reflections. Style reference 299. Dynamic figurative expressionism. Alright, those were the styles for this video. I again added some flair in the form of invented possible names for these styles. My own personal favorites this time were 206, 209, 226, 227, 228, 244, 246, 257, 273, 278, 280, 284, 291 and 292. Let me know your favorites in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and let's continue prompting.